here with some information on our YogaFit Seniors workshop. This is a requirement for our 200-hour training program. We'll discuss some common conditions for the active older adult and also look at ways that we can use a chair as a prop in our yoga class and how we can also use this prop not just for seniors, but anyone healing from surgery and injury.
Our next exhale can release us back out of our tree, just shaking anything that we may need to as well. Let's move the tree on our other side. So allow our left heel to lift a little bit from our floor. Again, choosing perhaps maybe a different configuration for our upper body here. Maybe something a little different. Let's move to the same on the other side. Right hand coming in front, knowing it would like to go back to its original side. And we'll bring our left hand to again find dynamic tension between the two. Bringing our shoulder back and down. And activating our pectoral muscles here. But listening to our range of motion and where we feel successful. A few extra breaths, not only for physical, but also for the curiosity of our motion. We'll start to make our way back up as we start to move ourselves back in our chair. As we move ourselves back in our chair, we'll start to prepare ourselves for a time of final relaxation, allowing our shoulders to drape back and the crown of our head to lift up.